Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. Today I want to show you a shelf in my Alice in Wonderland room. This is my Alice in Wonderland room. Ta-da! Well, part of it. So today I want to show you, let's walk around the rose bush. I want to show you this shelf. It is my Alice's bakery. No, what is it called? Alice's Wonderland bakery shelf. So I'm gonna show you up close. And would you believe it, because it's not aired in the Netherlands, I still haven't seen the series. I do have cute books like these. Alice is so cute, they're all so cute. And I have this one. I showed you in a Christmas video of my Christmas gifts. I also got these. If you haven't seen that video, I got these two books. And I've got this. So, cute Cheshire Cat. And then you have Alice. You have Dinah. And you have the little white rabbit. And it's called Fergie. And you have Princess Rosa. Aren't they cute? Oh, and Hattie over there. They are so adorable and so cute. But I have a whole video on those, so I hope to remember to leave a card or a link in the description box. And otherwise, check out my Alice videos. It's in there. So I still can't find any merchandise of this in the Netherlands. I did buy the books, of course, and this, but I bought those on Amazon UK, and they shipped it to the Netherlands. And so I found those, but the rest, yeah. So you already see a little bit of this over here. This and this I bought in the US on eBay, had it shipped over here, paid a lot of shipping and a lot of custom fees and stuff. But I just wanted to treat myself to this because I just think it's so darn cute. So let me show you this one first. It's a teapot. I love the colors, and I can just imagine the younger me getting this for a birthday or Christmas or whatever, and my gosh, it would be so magical. And to be fair, the older me loves it as well. Look at it. It's got, I think these are cookies. And here you have a little door that you can not open. Well, you can open it, but not with one hand. Okay, you've got the teapot, and this is the other side of the teapot. It's so cute. But that's not all. You can open it. Can I do that with one hand? Probably not. Yes, I can. And you just don't... You can open the door. Look at it. You can open the door and you can look inside. But you can also open the whole teapot. And look at this. I mean, isn't this amazing? Oh my gosh. Look, a cute little Dinah. Oh, I hope you can see it. It's a bit dark. And there are some cute stickers over here. Those were already on here. I didn't put these stickers on here myself. Did I? I can't remember. No, I didn't. I think they were already here. I don't know. Anyway, this is the inside. Over here you have a cute little elevator. Or lift. It depends on where you live. Or a lift in Dutch. Isn't that cute? It's not, I mean, it's not the best one, but... You can put a little figurine on here, and I'm going to show you in a minute. But first I want to show you this. There's a refrigerator that you can open. Look at all those delicious cakes. Wow. I thought this is so, and it's such a funny shape. I just love the shape of this refrigerator. So here's the Easy Bake Oven, and I have this one in a bigger version. But isn't it cute? And look at this. There's a pie, and now it's gone. So now it's in the oven, baking, and then when it's finished, and I thought, what is this? But this is the on and off switch. I don't have batteries in here. I think there is, if you push this button over here, it makes sounds. I think it makes baking sounds or a little song or whatever. I don't know. I don't have batteries in here. So I haven't even tried that out. I just now see that there is an on and off switch. I hadn't noticed. Anyway, you have a wonderful seating area over here. And then you have these stairs that you can... Wait a minute, I need two hands for that. So when it's closed, it's like this, and then you can take it out. And then you have stairs like this, and then the little dolls can walk up and down the stairs. And you have this. Now, what is that? I don't know, it's magical. So that's not all, there's more. It comes with this wonderful bed. Look how cute. I want a bed like this. It looks so adorable. And you can put this one on here. I don't remember putting stickers on here, so the stickers were already on here, which is nice because I never like putting on stickers because they always go on the way you don't want them to. So this is the bedroom. Awesome, right? But there's more. There is a little Princess Rosa. Well, she's not little because this one is little herder. Oh my gosh, I love it when you have two of the same together. Twinsies. Okay. Yeah. Everything falls down. It's not easy holding a camera and trying to play with your toys. Okay, so this one has little holes in her feet. Ah, that's sad. In her shoes, let's say in her shoes. I'm gonna put my camera down for a second. Well, I managed to get her on there, but I'm not gonna lift it up because I need two hands for that. But if she wants to go upstairs, she can take the elevator or the lift, or she can take the stairs, of course. Awesome, right? But there's more. Of course, there's also a cute Alice. Look at her. She's so adorable. And she can also sit. Look at it. They can sit. And this one, guys, if you smell her hair, try to smell it. Oh, do you smell it? It smells like cupcakes or cookie dough or whatever. And I don't like smells, but this is so faint. You really have to sniff her hair to... I'm gonna play with it to really smell it. So that's okay for me. Look at this. You can turn her around. It's so cute. But there's more. There's also this mixer, and it's really the right size, right? It's huge, but you can mix it. Look, it mixes. Oh. And it has a sparkly bowl. I mean, come on. How cute is that? So the mixer is over there. It's a bit huge for Alice to work with, but oh well. And then you also have two chairs. And this, which has the shape in it of, well, a bit of a rose. It's also what's on the spinning teacups, I think, the pattern. I really like it. And it's glittery. I mean, come on. So you've got these cute two little chairs they can sit in, or their customers can sit in, or their friends. And look at the flower stand. It's so cute. It's so cute. And of course you need a teapot with a ribbon and a teacup. Also with the same pattern. It's really hard to show you. It's a bit dark, but it's so cute. Look at it. Oh. But that's not all, guys. There's also a table. And because it's see-through, you see all of this. So that's a bit... I think, yeah, okay. But still, it's a cute table. And on the table, you can put this. There are cookies. A tray full of wonderful cookies that Alice and her friends baked. And there is a pie. And there is another pie. Isn't it awesome? Oh, it's got little hearts on it. I didn't see that when I opened it. Well, I might have, but I forgot. That's so cute. Look at it. I mean, isn't this just gorgeous? Look at it, how cute. So yeah, I have this in my collection room and I'm very happy just looking at it. And I'm gonna put everything in its spot again because these all fell over. And they're gonna fall over when I show you the rest. Doesn't this just give you the feeling of, oh, I really want to play with this? It's a shame that when you get older you forget how to play. But it feels nice to just put this somewhere to display it very nicely on my shelf. So now it's a bit of a mess. I'm gonna put it back the way it was, I hope, once it's finished. But isn't it cute? Okay, so then I have all of these. So if you haven't seen them, I have Alice. And I have little Dinah. I think Dinah looks a bit like a fox in this series. Look at it. And Cheshire. I mean, Cheshire is Cheshire with a croissant. And you have the White Rabbit, and he's called Fergie. And you have Hattie, and I absolutely love Hattie. Look how gorgeous he looks. It's so cute. And then you have, sorry, Princess Rosa again. But I'm gonna sweep them all to the side. Oh, well, this is a mess now. Look at it. But I don't care, because in a few minutes I'm gonna put everything back the way it should be. And it's like playing with it, and I just love that. So, next item is this one. This is the Easy Bake Oven, but then a bit bigger. Look at it. And there's this cute Alice doll with it. It's a bit darker, but oh, I can show you. Look how cute she is. So I have this book also that I also got for Christmas. So I'm gonna put this to the side so you can see her better. Look how cute Alice is. The cute bow, and I just think she's so gorgeous. And I love the fact that she has Cheshire Cat sleeves and, what do you call these? And a beautiful, beautiful little skirt with glitter. Everything has glitter. It's just also magical. I love it. And those big eyes. It's just so gorgeous. And she's holding a, I have no idea what you call that. A bake thingy. I don't know what you call that. But look at the easy bake oven. Isn't it cute? So there are some jars over here with, I didn't see that when I unpacked it. It has glitter in it. Oh, can you see that? Oh my goodness. I just now noticed. I haven't, this one as well. It's got glitter in it. Okay, these are just little things that makes this so much more magical. I love it. Okay, so there's glitter in it. And there's this pen. And, guys, look at this cake. It has the Mad Hatter thing on top. It looks a bit like a Mad Hatter's hat. And I just love the colors. You know I love green and pink. And this is a bit more mint green, or I don't know. I just now see that this couldn't open because there is still some tape on here. Ah, it opens. I really thought, why doesn't this open? But it does. You can even put something in here. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Now these don't open. This is just a fake drawer, I think. Maybe, perhaps. Yes. But look what happens when I push the button. Are you ready for this?
Let's get baking!
Okay, let's push it again. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, this is awesome. I think this is the theme song. I don't know. Okay, thank you. Oh, it's long. It just goes on and on. Right, it's so cute. So you've got this pie, but there's another one. You've also got this one. Look how gorgeous that is. And again, guys, glitter, glitter, glitter everywhere. I love that so much. Can you see that? It's shimmery and glittery. So, yeah, I have so much fun looking at this and discovering there's glitter in there and pushing that button, although this sticker needs to be, it's letting loose. Oh well, but I have so much fun just putting this over here, looking at it. I emptied a shelf just for all of these items. That is now quite a mess. But I just love it and I want some more of these. But I only have this shelf, so I can't really buy bigger things anymore. But to be honest, it was so expensive getting it here, but I just really wanted it. And how long has this been out? Almost 2 years, a year and a half, and there's still nothing in the Netherlands. So yeah, I just, at a certain point, I just thought, this was on sale, by the way, so it was a bit cheaper, but still, I just thought, you know what, I'm just gonna treat myself. I'm just gonna buy it, and I'm so happy with it, even though it looks really, really weird now. Let's just put some items back, and I have this over here, so this space is empty. I can still put a lot of nice toys over there. Hattie doesn't want to stand, so I need to be careful with that. And then you have Princess Rosa. She's so cute. And she doesn't want to stand either. Okay, I can handle this. And then Cheshire over here. See, this is also playing, although I just put it back nicely so it looks a bit nice. But I just really love doing this. So let's put this a bit more over here. Close this a little bit so I don't trip over it when I go over here. Okay, and then the table over here. And this goes over here. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I love this. It's so cute. So this is my Alice in Wonderland bakery shelf. Oh, gorgeous, right? It's just so cute. Oh wait, there's one more item. I forgot, I have this book over here. So wait, I need to push this a bit more. Okay. I have this book over here. And then this bit. I like so. See, it's just, I just love figuring out how to display it, how it looks nice, and you know, like this. This is nice. Alice needs to look over here. So when you walk in my room, you see this. Well, once you pass the roses, the rose bush. What do you think? Doesn't this make you happy? It makes me so very happy. I just think it's so cute. And I still think this is one of the best pictures one of the best illustrations. It's just so darn cute. I love it so much. This makes me happy. I'm 57 and look at it. It makes me so happy. So guys, that was it for today. I hope you liked it. I loved showing you because I love playing with this stuff. And I think I'm going to show you a few more shelves pretty soon. I know I said that before, but I think I'm going to film a few of these today and tomorrow this week, because next week the neighbors are going to tear down their shed and it's going to make a lot of noise. I'm not sure if I can film, so I'm going to film a few more of these. So you get to see some more of my room. Sneak peek. Ta-da, ta-da. It's a weird angle, but I know. This is my room. So are there any shelves you want to see? Let me know. I'm going to end with this rose bush. Okay, all that's left to say is groetjes uit Wonderland. Greetings from Wonderland. Bye.